You clicked this video because you open an Unreal, you see blueprints, and you say,
What the fuck?
thousands of nodes, wires everywhere. But don't worry, because I'm here for you to explain blueprints in the easiest way possible. Also, by the end of this video, you will not have any fear of this engine or blueprint. Now, take a deep breath. Don't worry, I got you. Blueprints are just visual programming instead of writing code like this. You already heard what I said, right? Hence, let your content creator give you another perspective. Think of electricity. The white line is electricity. If electricity cannot reach a node, nothing happens. So, the game starts. Electricity flows. The node runs the next. That's how your game works. Understandable? Thanks. Help me by clicking the subscribe button, drop a random comment below, and like the video if you like it. Now you have a solid knowledge of blueprints. Let's open the engine together, shall we? First, let's make a blueprint. Head over to the content browser, right click and create a blueprint class. Don't you worry about blueprints classes. Actor. An actor is any object that can exist in your game world. Example, trees, doors, coins, weapons, lamps, and treasure chests are all actors because they are simply exist in the level. Pawn. A pawn is an actor that can be controlled by a player or an AI. A drone that the player can fly or an AI controlled tank. They can move and receive commands, but they don't have built-in character movement. Character. A character is a special type of pawn with built-in movement, like walking, jumping, falling, and using gravity. Example, the player in a third-person game, an enemy soldier, or an NPC. Villager. They all need to walk around the world naturally. Game mode. A game mode controls the rules of the game. It decides things like which character the game spawns as, how players win, and what happens when the game starts. Example, in the racing game, the game mode decides that the first player to finish 3 laps wins. In a shooter, it can decide that the match ends when a team reaches 15 kills. Let's give you a summary. Actor. A thing in the world. Pawn. A controllable thing. Character. A walking controllable thing. Game mode. The game's rulebook.